Hello there and welcome to Furby Snow Leopard. And today we are unboxing a package that came all the way from New York. Inside of this package we have 3 items. These items come from a trade that I did with Furby Man. Basically I gave him a Furby fake, a Wonder Pet to be exact, and he sent me this. And inside of this there are 2 Furby fakes and another item that we will take a look at. So let's just get right to it. And here we have, opening this up, oh geez, oh hello there, a baby Brainy with everything in there, and it needs a zip tie, so that's wonderful. But yeah, we have a baby Brainy, pretty cool. We'll test this out later, but for now I'll just put it over here. Next we have oh my god. Oh, these are small. Wow. Baby Luby. Oh my god, these are so goofy looking. I think he said there were batteries in it, but I could be misremembering, you know. Very, very cute. I like it. I'll take a look at it later. And technically, last we have a oh god. Oh boy, it took a little bit of a beating, I can see. Okay. Well. Ooh, oh boy. Oh dear. Oh yeah, okay. So we have a big mouth rainbow trout. And yeah, I've definitely seen better days, but you know, it's still a rainbow trout. And you know, for those who don't collect singing fish, this might not mean much, but you know, it's not that rare of a fish. It's just a nice thing to have, and I can use some pieces rattling inside, and that's not a big deal. I'll probably just fix them up. But yeah, it's a singing fish that I got alongside this. But yeah, it's a rainbow trout. Yeah, the plaque definitely lost a little bit of its ink. Oh, there's an ad in there. Hello. You cannot see it, but like, yeah. Here it is. Here's the fish. Tail. Tail feels a little bit loose. I don't know if that's the GSNY thing. The head feels fine. A little bit different, and the mouth feels fine. Oh, the head gets stuck. And we'll test it out real soon. So, really quick now, we are going to try out, you know, the Furby fakes. Okay, so here we are, and now we're gonna be testing baby Brainy because why not? So I'm just gonna, you know, it's nice and clean inside. That's nice. I'm just gonna put the batteries in it, and let's test it. Oh. Yeah, it seems to be working pretty well. I'm sorry, but I have to take the batteries out. Alright, so this one works. Well, that's a relief. Now, actually, I think I should have some batteries for the baby Luby, so I'll get them out real quick. Alright, so I think I've found some batteries. Oops. Well, that one just fell there. Okay, so I got the batteries now. So, just gonna open up the voice box here and put them in. And hope that this one works. Oh god, this is not a great day for screws, is it? There it is. I'm opening up the battery compartment. Oh, wait, how does it open up? How does it... Oh, it slides, okay. So... just gonna put it back here. just like so, and there we have it. So
Uh-oh, no, Mike.
it has many buttons. I think it has just very nice addition. Well, that's sweet. This thing works then. And now it's time for the singing fish, the part that the least amount of you care for. So over here I have another singing fish. This one here, knockoff Billy Bass. And I bought new batteries for it today. Putting the batteries in. Batteries are in. Let's see. Huh. That doesn't work. Huh. Well, they are in there. Well, that doesn't work at all. Like straight up. Interesting. That's a bit odd. Ooh. Oh dear. Oh no. I can see the mechanism is kind of yellow in there. I don't know if that's, but no, that's usually on honey basses, so shouldn't matter on Jason Whitefish now, should it? Huh. Let me try to, yeah, jumpstart it. Nope. Doesn't seem like it wants to work. Interesting, huh? Well, I'm gonna take a look at it. But anyways, for 2 out of 3 to work, and I think this one he warned me that he was gonna sell it for parts because it wasn't really, you know, worth doing much with. I'll take that as a challenge and I'll see what I can do with it. But yeah, anyways, thanks to Furby Man and thanks to you for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to, you know, like and subscribe if you feel like. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Tail hinge is snapped, so it just goes here, but like, it works, just kind of needs a bit of help.